In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build interactive dashboards in Power BI. Open your Power BI desktop app on your computer and head into one of your existing reports so we can enhance it together. We'll add intuitive controls, refine how visuals respond to each other, unlock drill downs for layered insights, and create rich custom tooltips that appear on hover. Let's start by adding slicers, which act like a remote control for your report. In the visualizations pane, click the slicer icon. It looks like a funnel with a checklist, and a blank slicer will appear on the canvas. Now drag a categorical field such as country, year, or product category into the field well of that slicer. This gives viewers a simple way to filter the entire page to just what they care about. Think of it as a user-friendly gatekeeper that narrows the view without overwhelming anyone. Next, let's control cross-filtering so your visuals behave exactly as you expect. Click a visual that you want to drive interactions. This could be a chart or even a slicer. Go to the Format ribbon at the top and choose Edit Interactions. You'll see small icons appear above every other visual on the page. Use the funnel icon to make the selected visual filter the others, removing unrelated data with a single click, or choose the circle with a slash if you want a visual to ignore that interaction. This is perfect for keeping grand total cards static while the rest of the page updates around them. Now let's add drill downs so users can explore layers of data without clutter. Select a column or bar chart. In the x-axis well, drag multiple fields in order, place year on top, quarter beneath it, and month at the bottom. You'll notice arrow icons appear at the top of the visual. Click the single down arrow to enable drill mode, allowing users to click a bar like 2023 and immediately see its quarters. Use the double down arrow to dive to the next level across all years at once. The pitchfork style icon expands the hierarchy, showing multiple levels together. Finally, let's build custom tooltips that show a mini chart on hover. Create a new page, go to Format your report page, open Canvas settings, and change the type to tooltip. The canvas will shrink. Build a small visual here, such as a top 5 products list. Return to your main page, select the chart, open Format Visual, go to General, then Tooltips. Change the type to report page and choose the tooltip page you just created. Thanks for watching.